Welcome back to the Fuji Guys channel. My name is Francis. So in this series of video, we're going to take a look on how to use certain features of the X100V. So the X100V features in-camera raw conversion, very useful if you want to make changes to your images on the go. And the way you access that is that you simply press on the playback button, and then you can just go to the picture you want to work on. So let's say I'm going to use this one. Press on the Q button. That brings up the raw conversion menu. And then you have different options that you can play around with. So let's just play with this one a little bit. Let's make it black and white. And then let's play with the tone curve a little bit. There. And then I'm just going to press the Q button to create it. And then I have my raw converted image, but it's not yet saved. So if I want to make further adjustment, I can press back. And the nice thing about it is that everything I've done before still remains. So if I only want to change something, but keep everything else the same, I can just go in here and let's say I want to make it darker, but keep all the settings I did before. I press Q and then I just store it. And then the image will be saved onto the memory card as a JPEG file. So if you look right here, I have my JPEG file, it's an Acros, and all the adjustments I've made are there. So there you go, in-camera raw conversion with the X100V.